Hey, welcome back for the AutoCAD next tutorial. I'm Ake here and everywhere. You are watching Arc Engineering. So guys, today's topic we are going to discuss about how I image attach, image edit and image adjust. So guys, today's topic will be very interesting. So please carry on and make comfort with this topic. So let's try. I have attached this image and I'm going to attach next one image. So what I have to do, you have to type first enable this command prompt and type IMAGE and just A. This is the option here, image attach. So press enter and after that see this, you have to image. I have already set this file. If you have changed this file mode, then press on that and you can choose from any folder, any file. So I'm going to take first this image. I'm going to press on that and going to press enter. Okay, after that you have to make setting in this. What I have to setting there, you have to fix a specify on the screen, and when you take first, then you have to not tick out this. So you have to tick on this. Okay, and then after that you have to press on OK. Then you have where we goes to fix this image. So you have to take cursor over here where you want to fix image. Okay, first cursor and second I'm going to take over here, here. Okay, and see, in this manner you can attach lots of image in this way. And next things, I'm going to delete this and delete this, and after that same you can attach IMAGE and press enter. After that I'm selecting this second one of the image and press enter, and after that all of setting done, and after that OK, and I'm going to press over here and I'm going to select here and this. Okay, and this is our image. It's how looking, and in such a manner we can attach lots of images. I'm going to next how to edit this image. So we have to one of the file IMAGE and E, and then you have to one of the only command show image edit and press enter. Okay, so you have to option specify. Use this image app command का specify देना, not system default editor. It's showing you can use directly while I'm going to select this object. Okay, and directly you can edit from this. Okay, let's see here, the option is image edit. Okay, and next one of the command image adjust. So type IMAGE A and D. That's one of the option you have, image adjust, and press on that enter, and after that there select image. Okay, I have selected image and press enter. Then you have to one set of I'm going to choose anyone, this contrast option, contrast, and this kind value you can add it directly. Otherwise you have to more option. For the more option, IMAGEAD and press enter. Select object and press enter, and you have to this new setup box, and you can use this. You can change the brightness, maybe light or dark. You can change contrast, the stage. This can be high or low. It can be high or low. It can be high or low. Okay, you can change like that. Okay, and this is a fade, you can high or low, you can change like that. And in this manner you can adjust the image and press OK, and this is our image which have adjusted. So guys, in this way we can done image setting, image edit, image adjust, and how to image. So guys, thank you so much for the watch till this tutorial.